Alright, guys, Lahore is celebrating Basant, and in my newsfeed, I've seen all this stuff related to Epstein files, and I cannot even imagine being normal. I cannot even think that things are normal around me, right? Because you see all this clean world, and then when all these secrets are exposed, then you get to learn that how messy of a place this world really is, right? And all the people that you admire, from Elon Musk to Trump, Muslim around the world used to think that when Trump will be in power, he would stop all of these wars. But then you see these Epstein files, and you see his character, you see how demonic these people really are, and all of these people, even the atheists, the people that have written books on this stuff that there is no God, these are the people that have made their desires their own God, right? They've been controlled by their desires and by their lust, right? It is super crazy. And the biggest thing that I've learned from this is no matter what education do you have, no matter your standards, your values, and all of these things, if you do not have God fear inside yourself, when you are given enough power, you are going to exploit that. You're going to be controlled by your desire. And I think in order to fight this negativity, in order to fight these demonic people, you must need to be religious. You must need to study the message of God, because the message of God tells you what is right and what is wrong. You have got maximum of 60 to 100 years to live on this planet, right? And 60 to 100 years are not enough for you to really study everything and really see what is right, what versus what is wrong. For example, they were discovering this medicine for coronavirus, and they had to wait tens of years in order to really see what is the impact of that vaccine, right? So you don't even know the consequences of whatever you think is right. So you must need to use a framework that has been given to you by God. And when you see all these evil things in the world, there should must be an opposite to that, which is God, and He has sent you a message. And you must need to study that message. You must need to find the truth, and you must need to fight with the wrong by being right.